We wanted a compression chamber in the system because it gives us the opportunity to practice surface decompression. And I know that surface decompression is not widely used in some regions, but it's certainly used a lot in other regions, and it gives us that opportunity to practice that top diving technique. Now, the compression chamber is a standard panel layout. We have a gauge for the main lock, a gauge for the entry lock, and then stopwatches to control the dive. We have an oxygen analyzer, dive communication system, and power supply. And then we have the normal supplies for the chamber: primary air supply, secondary air supply, a primary O2 supply and a secondary O2 supply. And then we have the gas, primary gas supply into the chamber, main lock control, entry lock control, and the 2 exhaust valves. For the BIBS system, the built-in breathing system, we have our O2 supplies for the main lock and the entry lock, and the BIBS exhaust for the main lock and the entry lock. I'm going to dive the compression chamber to 12 metres and have the main lock ready for receival of the divers. So I can turn on my main gas supply, I can open up the supply to the main lock, and then I can begin diving the chamber to 12 metres. The simulator gives you realistic sounds. The needle on the gauge moves at the appropriate rate, so it gives a realistic feel that I'm actually diving the chamber. Okay, our divers are doing surface decompression. They've left the stop, they've arrived on the deck, and at last count they had been on the deck for 3 minutes.
Chamber, the diver 1 in the entry lock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come back.
Yeah, diver in the entry lock, acknowledged loud and clear, on O2 as quickly as you can.
Roger, that's just confirming divers 1 and 2 are in the entry lock, going on bibs, standby.
Yeah, roger on bibs.
Dive control, yeah, we're not getting O2 out of the bibs.
Yeah, roger that, no O2. One of the things with the system is that the operator, the person and the assessor can determine whether or not I've actually done the right thing, and I've made an error. I haven't actually turned the O2 supply on, and they can see that on the panel. And of course the correct response is for the diver to query why he doesn't have O2. So I'm now turning the O2 on. They have O2 to the entry lock, and the bibs exhaust is open. Divers, you should have O2 now. Thumbs up when you're ready to leave surface.
Yeah, roger that, chamber operator, confirming have O2 out of the bibs now.
Roger, thumbs up, leaving surface.
Roger, leaving surface.
So the diver's left the surface.
Yeah, dive control, diver 1, have a door.
Yeah, roger, diver 1, you have the door. The diver's now at 12 metres. I'm moving the divers from the entry lock into the main lock. Okay, divers transfer through from the entry lock into the main lock.
Roger, divers 1 and 2, moving to the main lock, standby.
Yeah, that's 5 minutes.
Chamber open the diver 1 in the main lock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, how do you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear also on O2.
Yeah, roger, going on O2. Yeah, topside divers on O2 in the main lock.
Yeah, roger on O2 in the main lock. Okay, divers, you've got 5 more minutes here.
Yeah, roger, 5 minutes.
Okay, divers, stand by for flush through.
Roger, stand by.